Hey, it's JJ here at Cream 610 Congaree, about to go in, do this giveaway. The parking lot, oh my God, is packed. I don't have enough, well I do now, but I have to re-up on flyers. I mean, all of these cars have the Charlie Wilson flyer. Actually, they have about two. Matter of fact, you don't believe me? I'll show you, because see, it's about letting everybody know about Charlie Wilson. Charlie Wilson, as you know, is coming August 2nd to the Bilo Center. Yeah, look at that car, yeah. And you can look at that car that has a flyer, yeah. That one has a flyer, and that one has a flyer. But it goes all the way around. But see, but we're about to go inside and get a winner. Did it earlier at Spinks, there on Academy, Pendleton, but now it's about to go down. Yeah, Charlie is coming. You saw him on the BET Awards, and now you're going to see him August 2nd for free from who? Your Ticketmaster at Cream Night Lounge. The biggest Tuesday night, the original Tuesday night in the upstate. No other spot is bigger on a Tuesday night. That's why I'm here. So this crowd that's been here since 2010 on a Tuesday, when you saw me tag the page with Chill, well, go search back on. I've been a part of this. I'm still here. Yeah, so I want you to be a part of this R&B show right here at Cream. Let's go in.